Great. Oh, what's this?
Cheeseburger.
Sandwich.
N.
S. What are these?
N. Tire.
T is for tiger.
Woohoo!
Where do we leave off?
No, there ain't yet.
T. What are these?
S.
Well, T is the first letter of train and tiger. S is the first letter of star and scissors.